you're trying to record motovlogs with your GoPro mic and it sounds like this, but you want it to be able to sound like this, then I have a really simple solution for you. All it takes is this one little piece, and this solved my GoPro issues.
I am blinded by the light. Oh my goodness, listen to that pop. It's cold, man. It's 57 degrees. I shouldn't be out here, but I am. Why are you out here, Jared? Oh, thank you for asking. I've tried to make this video, which this video probably won't even be the video that I've tried to make, but I've tried to record with the 636 like 5 times now, probably. Maybe this is 6, I don't know. And every time my mic keeps popping above 80 miles an hour. So I guess today I'm gonna figure out if I finally fix it or not. And if I did fix it, then this video will be me explaining how I fixed it. And if I didn't fix it, then you guys won't see this video. Or maybe you will if it's not too bad. I don't know. It's been a long time since we've had the 636 on the channel. I guess I'm gonna just get right into the ripping part of it. That way I can find out really right off the bat my bike is fixed or not. So if the audio didn't pop just then and it's not popping now, then the way that I fix this is a very helpful Indian guy on YouTube explained the problem to me in a hard to find video. It was so hard to find anything that could help. Basically one guy said, oh, turn off the wind setting on your GoPro. Well, when I plug in a lav mic like my Purple Panda mic, the wind setting doesn't appear anymore. It says NA. And aside from that, I tried adding a bunch of different, I stacked a bunch of more wind stuff, like I have a dead cat, a foam piece, and a dead cat on top of that now for wind reduction, and that didn't fix it. So I got this little piece that has a little knob on it. Basically what it is to take a pair of headphones maybe that doesn't have an adjustable volume knob. It's basically for that, but it also functions as the reverse for being able to limit how hot your mic can be. So I used it because GoPro doesn't have like a gain, like anything to set gain. So I used it as something to, instead of letting my mic get, peak into the red, it stops like 1 or 2 decibels before peaking now. Now that it does that, if my test just worked and it wasn't popping, then basically the problem is that my mic was peaking from, I guess, just going, too fast or whatever, getting too much wind. Like basically whatever I hear, I guess it's just too loud for the GoPro. I don't really understand how that can be the solution because there's so many people who don't have that problem. To me, what it seems like was just the fact that on the media mod that I have on my new Hero 11, because I bought everything used, I found it for a decent deal from Mute, if y'all know who that is, Mute Racing. Saw him post it on Instagram and I went and bought it. But the media mod, the mic plugging into it, it's a little bit wobbly. It's like, it wiggles around a little bit. So I feel like that's why it seemed fine until about 80, where it's probably just getting hit with a little too much wind to stay stable. Now the other possible solution is the fact that with this new one and my angle of the GoPro, that wire is actually kind of pushed back, like pushing back into the helmet. So that might be keeping it stable. I'm not totally sure. This is my first test with it so far. Like I've actually had a video with it, but I just wasn't going fast. So this is my first fast test with it. But yeah, I'll drop a link to this in the description if anybody is having the same issue. If this actually did fix it, then I'll link that for y'all so nobody has to have popping mics anymore. But yeah, I don't know, hopefully it worked. Oh, I guess so if it did work, I'll kind of talk a little bit about my bike now. As you can see, it's been painted. Texas Superbikes painted it, so shout out to Texas Superbikes. This tank was also dented. They took the dent out of it, so that was super cool. They went like above and beyond to make this thing nice. I've got some iPhone videos I could show real quick for it. The cage and wheels aren't powder coated, it's actually all paint, because they had like they found out whatever kind of mix it was to be able to make like the same type of green as the H2 frame, so that's what they wanted to try on this. I think it came out pretty similar. This one might be a little lighter, but it still looks really cool to me. Yeah, I don't know, I'm also kind of rushing against the sun because with the new Hero 11 I'm using Hyperview, and I set it up to use ND filters so I can get motion blur. Oh, very beautiful. Oh, also I gutted the cats, so my bike pops now. Might see a flame. Yeah, it spits flames. It's pretty cool. Hello doggy. Yeah. Just I don't know, but we kind of took the bike from being a bit of a clapper to being really nice now, and they did it for free. In exchange, I kind of get the word out to you guys that they paint and they wrap bikes, and I mean, this paint looks really good, so I have no problem whatsoever promoting it. Whoa, tire slip. I also have because if y'all know, I have a 4-piston caliper on my foot brake right now. It's quite a bit of brake, so I'm going to be decreasing that soon. I went ahead and ordered a P34 Brembo foot brake caliper off of the 6 shop, and whatever adapter I need. I got the 1-finger adapter, so hopefully all that stuff fits up with my NDC thing. I could have got the NDC adapter, but it was twice as expensive, and I don't really need it because I don't plan to run a handbrake on this bike, so I just went with the cheaper option. I don't hopefully it's not getting too dark in the video already since the sun's going down, but luckily sun starts going down later now, so I can kind of might be able to make more videos. I don't know, I just been having all these mic issues, so videos have been kind of slow. Speaking of Texas Superbikes, they've got an event coming up, just a little meet this Saturday. Hopefully, I guess if this video comes out, I'll get it out soon. That way, if you don't know about it, now you know. Come pull up. Last time I was there, so I guess I've actually kind of hit the point to where there's people who are wanting to meet me. So this time I'll try to stick around my bike more if you want to come out and say what's up. Because last time there was like 2 people waiting around my bike that I ended up meeting like as I was going to leave, but I didn't know that anybody would actually like be there wanting to see me, so I'm sorry guys. Anyway, let me know if you like the new GoPro, the settings. I did this kind of stuff a long time ago, but then I decided that my Hero 7 wasn't really good enough to, I don't know, whatever. I did it back in the day, I kind of stopped, kind of back to it now because I like how it looks. And I know if I look around a lot, the Hyperview is kind of distorted and maybe looks a little funky or is maybe hard to watch, but I don't know, I think for the most part I don't look around that much, so I like how much the Hyperview can see, so I'll probably be using the Hyperview mode, especially when I'm on the R7 because it sees a lot and it looks pretty cool. Kind of gives you guys a better idea of like what trick I'm actually in, so yeah, I think that'll be cool. This thing makes weird noises sometimes. I don't know what noise I'm currently hearing. I don't really like it, but I think it's fine. Well, give it a little pull so you guys can hear this cat pop. Or it's not a cat, but oh yeah. Well, anyway guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. If you came here for the solution to your GoPro mic pop-in, hopefully this helped you. Yeah, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.